Question. Leveraged lease is a special form of leasing developed in recent years in options A. India, option B. Britain, option C. Germany, option D. USA. Answer option D. USA. Units of finished product not up to the standard and can be rectified. Options A. Defective, option B. Scrap, option C. Spoilage, option D. None. Answer option A. Defective. The most suitable average for index number is option A. Mean, option B. Median, option C. Harmonic mean, option D. Geometric mean. Answer option D. Geometric mean. Question. Combination of different securities with varying risk and return. Option A. SAP, option B. Portfolio, option C. CAP, option D. OCP. Answer option B. Portfolio. Teaming and lading is a method of misappropriation of option A. Goods, option B. petty cash, option C. Cash, option D. Accounts. Answer option C. Cash. Misstatements in prospectus by the auditor. Options A. Civil liability, option B. Criminal liability, option C. Liability for negligence, option D. Liability for misfeasance. Answer option B. Criminal liability. Question. The first general meeting of the company. Options A. Statutory meeting, option B. Annual general meeting, option C. Extraordinary meeting, option D. Emergency meeting. Answer option A. Statutory meeting. Question. The dual aspect of accounting is ensured in the options A. Double entry system, option B. Single entry system, option C is double and single entry system, option D. None of the above. Answer option A. Double entry system. The arithmetical accuracy of the accounts can be checked by preparing option A. Balance sheet, option B. Trading account, option C. Trial balance, option D. Profit and loss account. Answer C. Trial balance. Question. Retained earnings is a option A. Liability to the management, option B. Asset to the company, option C. Liability to the company, option D. None of these. Answer option C. Liability to the company. Question. The accounting practices should remain the same from one year to another as per option A. Convention of consistency, option B. Convention of conservatism, option C. Convention of disclosure, option D. None of these. Answer option A. Convention of consistency. The assets which constantly change in value through transactions that are entered into are called options A. Fixed assets, option B. Current assets, option C. Floating assets, option D. Tangible assets. Answer option C. Floating assets. Transactions are entered in the books of account at the amount actually involved in the concept of options A. Cost concept, option B. Dual aspect concept, option C. Going concern concept, option D. Money measurement concept. Answer option A. Cost concept. Question. The balance sheet is also called option A. Income statement, option B. Position statement, option C. Transaction statement, option D. Asset statement. Answer option B. Position statement. The shares whose value which fluctuates in the market with the fortunes of the company. Option A. Bonus shares, option B. Preference shares, option C. Equity shares, option D. None of these. Answer option C. Equity shares.